Video title: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Introduction. 1. Greet your audience and introduce the topic of the video. 2. Highlight the significance of AI and ML in today's world. Section 1. What is artificial intelligence? 1. Define AI, the concept of machines performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. 2. Mention historical context and early AI examples. 3. Explain the difference between narrow AI and general AI. Section 2. Machine Learning Fundamentals. 1. Define machine learning, a subset of AI that involves training machines to learn from data. 2. Introduce the concept of data-driven decision-making. 3. Mention common ML applications such as image recognition and recommendation systems. Section 3. Components of machine learning. 1. Discuss the three key components: algorithms, data, and compute. 2. Briefly explain how algorithms learn from data and improve over time. 3. Touch upon the importance of quality training data. Section 4. Types of machine learning. 1. Mention supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. 2. Briefly explain each type with simple examples. Section 5. The machine learning process. Data collection. 1. Discuss the importance of relevant and diverse data. 2. Mention potential data sources. Data preprocessing. 1. Explain the need to clean, format, and prepare data for training. 2. Mention techniques like normalization and feature scaling. Model selection and training. 1. Briefly discuss the choice of algorithms based on the problem. 2. Explain how models learn from data through iterations. Evaluation and validation. 1. Discuss the need to assess model performance. 2. Mention metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. Hyperparameter tuning. 1. Explain the process of finding optimal settings for a model. 2. Mention techniques like cross-validation. Model deployment. 1. Briefly discuss taking a trained model into production. 2. Highlight the importance of monitoring and updates. Section 6. Challenges and future trends. 1. Discuss challenges like bias in AI, data privacy, and ethical concerns. 2. Mention exciting trends such as deep learning, natural language processing, and AI in healthcare. Conclusion. 1. Recap the key points discussed in the video. 2. Encourage viewers to explore AI and ML further. 3. Mention that the channel will cover more advanced topics in future videos. Call to action. 1. Invite viewers to like, share, and subscribe. 2. Ask for comments on what specific AI and ML topics they'd like to learn about.